Okay friends, let us talk of the different types of combustion. Now when you burn a matchstick, or when you bring a burning matchstick or a gas lighter near a gas stove, what do you observe? Right? You will observe that it will burn immediately. Right? The gas will burn rapidly and it will produce heat and light. So such combustion which occurs very fast is known as rapid combustion. It will occur very fast. Right? So a substance like gas, a fuel like cooking gas, or even petrol or spirit will burn very fast. So there are substances like phosphorus which burn in air at room temperature. So phosphorus, even sodium, you cannot even keep them open in air. They will start burning. So the type of combustion in which a material suddenly bursts into flames without the application of any apparent cause is called spontaneous combustion. अपने आप, right? So कोई cause नहीं. Like let's say when I rub a matchstick against that box, then the matchstick gets lighted. But a substance like phosphorus kept in air will start burning on its own. So that is called spontaneous. Okay. Spontaneous combustion of coal dust has resulted in many disastrous fires in coal mines. Spontaneous forest fires are also occurring due to the heat of the sun or due to lightning strikes. But most forest fires are because of carelessness of human beings. People go into the forest and they light campfires or they smoke BDs, right? And then they leave the fire as it is without properly dousing it out, or they throw the cigarette or BD butt on the forest floor and they just walk away, and it may result in a forest fire, right? So this is carelessness of human beings. Otherwise, natural occurrences like lightning strike and heat of the sun are also there. Now, we generally have fireworks on festival days. So when a cracker is ignited, right, फटाका जब हम ignite करते हैं, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light and sound. A large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated, and due to this gas which is liberated, a sound occurs. So such a reaction is called an explosion. So explosion can also take place if pressure is applied on the cracker. You know the Diwali, there are some crackers which we just we put in the gun and we hit it with the iron thing, or means we apply pressure and the explosion occurs. Or there are small bombs which we throw against the wall or the floor and an explosion occurs. This is because of pressure. So explosion is a sudden reaction, right? Evolution of heat, light and sound takes place, and this sound is because of the liberation of a large amount of gas, right, that is liberated suddenly. Okay, so we just talked of, in this video we talked of the types of combustion, right? We saw rapid combustion. So if there's rapid combustion, can there also be slow combustion? Can there be slow combustion where heat is generated that too slowly, but no light is generated? I'll give an example. What about respiration process? Respiration process which occurs in human beings or animals is a combustion process where food plus oxygen will combust to liberate carbon dioxide, water, and energy is liberated. Right now, in this process, heat is generated, but there's no light. Our body doesn't light up ना, वो हमारा स्किन में से के रोशनी चमकनी नहीं उठती after we eat food or it in respiration process, right? So it's a slow combustion process. So we have rapid combustion and then we have slow combustion. Same way, spontaneous combustion occurs suddenly, right? Otherwise, normal type of combustion will require a medium. And what is required for combustion? So air, having oxygen, and then a fuel which will be combust, and third, the ignition temperature. So heat, so that the ignition temperature is reached, or the temperature rises above the ignition temperature, and then only combustion will take place. Okay guys, let's keep this video very short. We'll start a new topic, the flame, from the next video. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Bye.